Okay, we're going to compare quadratic functions now. 9-4. This is the key part of the lesson that I just showed you. I'm going to compare f of x equals x squared and g of x equals negative 1/4 x squared plus 3. We know because g of x has a smaller absolute value of its a, g of x is wider. I could have said f of x is more narrow, and that would be the same thing. I know because f of x has a positive a and g of x has a negative a, f of x opens upward, g of x opens downward. Neither one have a b, so both axes of symmetry are 0. Because there's different a's, my fourth one is I would find the vertex. If the axis of symmetry is 0, I know that 0 squared is 0, so my vertex for f of x is 0, 0. 0 squared is 0, 0 times negative 1/4 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. So I know my g of x vertex is 0, 3. So next example, f of x equals x squared, h of x equals x squared plus 5. They both have the same width because their absolute value of a is the same. They both have a positive a, so they both up and upward. Both do not have a b, so both axes of symmetry are 0. And I chose another one to translate up. H of x translates up 5 because if everything else is the same, the c translates along the same line. My vertex of f of x is 0, 0. My vertex for h of x is 0, 5. So my h of x translates up 5. I could have said f of x translates down 5.